Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Workspace for property investor spreadsheets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of authenticating with Google Workspace for your property investor spreadsheets. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. Click on the New Project button in the pop-up window. Name your project relevant to your property investment needs. Once your project is created, click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select APIs and Services from the drop-down. Then click on Library to access Google API services. In the API library, search for Google Sheets API. Click on the Google Sheets API result, then press the Enable button. Next, search for Google Drive API in the same library. Click on the Google Drive API result and enable that as well. After enabling the APIs, go back to APIs and Services and click on Credentials. Click on the plus Create Credentials button. Select OAuth Client ID from the drop-down menu. You may need to configure the consent screen if prompted. Fill in the necessary details, such as application name and support email. Click Save and Continue until the consent screen configuration is complete. Once done, select Application Type as Web Application. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add the redirect URIs for your application. Click on Create to generate your OAuth 2.0 client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy the client ID and client secret for later use. In your spreadsheet application, install the Google Client Library if you haven't already. Use the client ID and secret to authenticate the application. Follow the instructions to authorize access to your Google Sheets and Drive. Once authenticated, you can proceed to make calls to the Google Sheets API seamlessly. Now, you can use your property investor spreadsheets with secure access to your Google Workspace. And that's how to authenticate with Google Workspace for your property investor spreadsheets. Happy investing! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.